This is Gerald. Found him lost in the woods, and now I can't imagine life without him. We're like two peas in a pod. So Gerald had to, well, you know, but he lived his best life. Today we're making herb-crusted lamb chops. Met this guy 5 minutes ago, and honestly, I'd die for him.
He blinked twice. That means consent, right?
Bro, who the fuck discovered milk? Like, who saw a cow and said, let me tug on that and drink it?
This is Quackers. I would literally give my life for this guy. I know I have a bad track record with pets, but this time is different, I swear. What, you guys really thought I was gonna cook Quackers? All right, so today we're gonna season some wings. Quackers had to step out for a bit. Anyway.
All right, so I think the locals left this thing called an energy drink. Let's take a sip.
Oh, I'm gonna crash out.
I don't know what was in that, but I can't freaking sleep. Oh, might as well get morning's grub ready. I'm tweaking.